Solemnity of the Most Holy Trinity, May 26, 2024. First reading is taken from the book of Deuteronomy. Moses said to the people, "Ask now of the days of old, before your time, ever since God created man upon the earth. Ask from one end of the sky to the other. Did anything so great ever happen before? Was it ever heard of? Did the people ever hear the voice of God speaking from the midst of fire, as you did and live? Or did any God venture to go and take a nation for himself from the midst of another nation, by testings, by signs and wonders, by war with strong hand and outstretched arm, and by great terrors, all of which the Lord your God did for you in the Egypt, before your very eyes? This is why you must now know and fix in your heart that the Lord is God in the heavens above and on earth below, and that there is no other God. You must keep his statutes and commandments that I enjoin on you today, that you and your children after you may prosper, and that you may have long life on the land which the Lord your God is giving you forever." The word of the Lord. Thanks be to God. Please like and subscribe.